Hello, and welcome to Theatre Bites, essential theatre knowledge in minutes. Today we're entering the dazzling, daring world of Restoration theatre, where drama made a comeback, women stepped onto the stage, and scandal stole the spotlight. In 1660, after years of Puritan rule, King Charles II returned to the English throne, and one of his first moves? Reopening the theatres, which had been shut down for nearly 2 decades. What followed was a theatrical rebirth, literally a restoration, filled with glitter, wit, and bold new voices. Restoration theatre was indoor and candlelit, with elegant scenery and the proscenium arch stage. It was filled with innuendo, wit, and mockery of upper-class behaviour. For the first time ever in England, women were allowed to perform. Actresses like Nell Gwyn became celebrities overnight, and playwrights wrote comedies full of flirtation, disguise, and scandal. These plays, known as Restoration comedies, were all about manners, money, and marriage. They mocked the rich for being shallow, vain, and obsessed with appearances, while the characters chased love, lust, and social status. Audiences loved it. The more outrageous, the better. Restoration theatre paved the way for the rise of celebrity actors, women as playwrights and performers, and the beginnings of the romantic comedy as we know it today. It was bold, stylish, and sometimes downright outrageous, but always entertaining. When the king came back, so did the theatre, with more glamour, gossip, and giggles than ever before. Thanks for watching Theatre Bites, your shortcut to essential theatre knowledge. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to support the channel. And if there's a topic you'd like me to cover, then leave a comment or suggestion below. I'd love to hear what you would like next. Until then, see you in the next bite.